Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are present, confirm Python and pip versions, then install pip paste with pip install pip paste. Once done, navigate to the folder containing the fragments you want to join. Make sure file names are clear and sequential because pip paste works by order. Now run the first actionable command, pip paste assemble file 1, py file 2, py-o combined, py. This creates a single output quickly, and you'll use it as the base for the next, more detailed steps. Once the basic combine is created, refine behavior with flags, use strip comments to remove noise, preserve imports to keep top-level imports intact, and order equals explicit when you need a precise merge order. You'll want to handle symbol collisions, rename functions, or add module prefixes so names don't clash at runtime. Make sure to preview changes using dry run. This shows what will be written without altering files. Then, when satisfied, rerun with your chosen options to write the final file. You finish by running the combined file and watching for runtime errors, especially import error or name error. These point to ordering or missing imports. If errors appear, run linters like Flake8 and formatters like Black to reveal style-based issues and hidden mistakes. Make sure to rerun pip paste with verbose to get detailed output, then isolate the offending fragment and adjust imports or function names. If needed, split logic into clearer modules and merge again. That resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.